If you're experiencing slow internet speeds at home, here are a few simple tips to make your Wi-Fi go faster. Find another place for your router. If your router is hidden behind other objects in a remote corner of your room, this will greatly affect its signal. It works best in an open space. Add a secure password to your router. If you don't protect your router properly, your neighbors, or worse, could be hogging your Wi-Fi. Keep your software up to date. Regular system updates can increase network speed and security. But don't forget that your router needs love too. Check the manufacturer's page for new firmware. See what's eating up bandwidth. An app in the background could be using all of your bandwidth, so check your network activity. Some programs are needed for your OS, but double-check if you need unfamiliar programs on the list. Connect via your Ethernet cable. If your Wi-Fi is still running slow in the end, you can always physically connect your device to your router for better speed. For more online security tips, don't forget to subscribe to the NordVPN YouTube channel.